How to fix Barclays app error code. Hey everybody, if you're having the app error code RG030, it typically indicates that the app needs to be updated to the latest version. So for that, what you may do is you can head over and open up your device's Play Store or anything. And then once you open it up, you may go to the search in the bottom and you can directly search for Barclay here. Type in Barclay and find the application. And once you find it up, you may just go ahead and look out for the update for that particular application and update this application to the latest version. Otherwise, that may be a device update issue as well. So if your device's operating system is not up to date, that may be also the reason. So for that, head over to devices settings. And once you are there, you may just scroll down from the given options and look for software update, tap on it and check for updates and follow up the method in order to update it. After that is done, that should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, if you're still having the issue, you can directly contact Barclays for further assistance, and that's it. But basically, that error means updating app to the latest version. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.